to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Aries, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from October the 22nd to the 20th to 27th for 2020, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. Aries, I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card as a message for you from the universe. And the decks I'm using today is the Druidcraft Tarot deck, alright, by Philip and Stephanie Carr Gong. And I'm using the Oracle deck by Deborah Blake, which is called the Everyday Witch Oracle. Alright, let's start off with Aries. Aries for October 20th to 27th, 2020. Please do remember that these are general readings. They may not always resonate with all of you. They could be for you, your person, or the situation you're in. It could also be vice versa. Energies for some of you if you're cross-watching for someone. And if you want to get a personal reading done by me, you would need to email me. I have mentioned that in the email, my email address in the description box below. Alright, so we're doing Aries now for the week October 20th to 27th. Let's see what's happening with Aries. Alright, Aries, your overall energy, the reading I get, the card I'm getting is the Lady, which is the Empress. The Empress is someone who nurtures, who kind of protects you, who has that embracing nature, who is someone who probably takes things through very positively, who has the assurance and has your back. And somehow I think you've always had the back of that divine force or whatever, but you've not really realized that perhaps. Alright, now when I look at your past, Aries, I see the World, the Hanged Man and the Six of Swords. Alright, so in the past things did change for the better for you. You were a little confused about certain decisions. It looks more like a work related kind of a situation, something that you had to decide on, some decision that you had to make. You took time, you introspected, you looked within, and you took that journey forward. You then did make that move, and you did listen to your gut, and you did go forward, and it was all for the better. In your current situation, what I see is that you are either dealing with another earth sign. It could be a Virgo, wherein this person is not very open about their feelings. They don't tell you what they have going for them. They're not very clear about where they want to take things. This could also be a relationship for some of you. You're probably dealing with a Virgo, perhaps Aries, where you really don't know what's going on in their head. All right. When I look at the Eight of Swords and the Fool card here, I see you are going through currently some kind of a confused, trapped kind of a situation right now where your hands are tied, you don't know what to do, you're unsure whether now you're questioning those, the same decisions that you took for the better, if it's working for you. But I think you are someone who will come out of this, you will fight and you will take that leap of faith, you will go with your gut instinct like you did previously, you will come out of this phase very soon and take that step forward. In the future, yes, there will be times where you will have doubts, you will have inhibitions, you will have trust issues on that someone or the situation that you're dealing with, but hard work will pay off. Okay, with the Three of Pentacles, I see that in the future you will be developing your skills, you will be working towards some goal, some objective. Some of you are learning something, acquiring a new skill, or working towards making a relationship work. though you have so many things that are kind of bogging you down or making you think negatively, I see a lot of work going into something. All right, so when I see Aries across, probably putting in some work going forward. With the Emperor card here, I feel that you are somebody who is extremely strong in the head. You don't just, let loose. You have to get to the core. You know where you want to be. You're very, very focused. You have everything panned out for you. Yes, the journey has been tough, Aries, but you are someone who will work your way through, learn something new just because you want to get where you are. And I see you in an extremely stable kind of an environment going forward. And with the Lord here and the Lady both coming in your reading, in your future reading, I think it's going to go great guns for you. This looks like a journey, that you have gone through, where you've had your doubts, you've had your hurdles, you've had your obstacles, whether it's at work, whether it's in a relationship, whether it's dealing with a situation. But I see you coming out of that very soon. That's what I see for most Aries. All right. Let's see what the oracle cards have to say for you, Aries. Message from the universe for Aries for the week October 20th to 27th. Perfect. I think this is exactly what I did see in your reading. The oracle cards have the same message for you. It says follow your dreams, rebirth and reinvention, which is your core fundamental value. Aries, you're basically like that. You know how to reinvent yourself. You have that ability to kind of, you always have that ability to learn something and start something. And you don't really shy from that responsibility. And I see that you will connect. You need to connect with your inner soul. Please continue to believe in yourself. Look within. You have all your answers within. And the oracle, the universe says that you need to follow your dreams. Continue with that same passion, that same zeal, and you will get what you want. All right, so that's what I see for you, Aries. I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.